The circular form isn't just another form, but it is a symbolic representation of the divine eternity. Hi, I am architect Janki, the co-founder of Studio 2+2, a firm based in Ahmedabad. The ultimate house which you are seeing is a house designed by us. It is a 7,800 square feet built up house. It is nestled within the outskirts of Ahmedabad, following a very design sensitive approach. While designing the whole house with its full concept and the whole energy coming through us somehow on the paper was something that we wanted to create the universe in a way. So the circular form itself gave us a lot of ideas of the Brahmand, the universe that we are all surrounded by. The house is a circular two-story structure. We wanted to provide beautiful views of the outside nature, and so we decided to have huge glass openings on each side. To access this house, we thought of developing a kind of a pathway, a kind of a road which meets and greets the house in the central space, and we have the car entering and coming up here. The interesting part is that there's a natural rise to this land. So once the car is entering, there's a little road level up, comes up, and then the car goes down. While entering, you are greeted by a double height living room with an open to sky courtyard in the center. There is a large circular skylight above the courtyard, transcending natural light throughout the day. Here, the first floor comprises living room, kitchen, dining area and a bedroom. But the most striking part has to be the first floor glass slab above the living area. The most unique feature of this house is the integrated waterfall between glass panels in the dining area. Here, we have used laminated glass for safety purposes. When we started designing, we had this idea of providing connectivity to nature, and so water being a key element of nature, we decided to integrate it in this house. Thanks to the modern technologies and versatility of glass, our vision came alive. Another wow factor of the house is the glass bridge on the first floor slab. It overlooks the double-heighted living space below. Here too, we have used the laminated glass. While designing, we wanted to blur the boundaries between indoor and outdoor spaces. Hence, we have provided huge glass windows throughout the facade. Apart from that, skylight illuminates the indoor spaces through natural light, making the home feel more lively. You access the first floor by a spiral staircase. The staircase is inspired by the DNA structure. It leads you to the first floor. It houses 3 bedrooms and an entertainment room. In the first floor lobby, we have also created beautiful art murals representing the 3 divine gods which rule our universe, Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh, and they all are in their energetic forms represented well. This house is a beautiful choreography of volumes bounded by the central courtyard and skylight, which illuminates the whole house with natural light. According to this, the client also wanted various other activities which this house form will be different from this house form, will be a separate structure apart from this house form. So taking everything in the radial manner, we developed the landscape, that it is a calling, it is a circular rhythmic structure. Like if there is a vibration, it creates its ripples. If you see in the top level view, it is in a rhythmic vibration form. Respecting the centrality and coming it outside, we developed one pathway and in a pie formation, and we developed an open temple here. This temple is in the northeast corner of the site. The landscape which is planned here is in a very opposite way, because in nature we always have the yin and the yang. So in that ways, if there is circular rhythmic, something which is not centrality based, it's something which is off center based. So different lines of this landscape are in a very newer way, in a very modern way. All the plants are local species and are herbs and few good Ayurvedic plants which are very carefully crafted here. The circular form isn't just another form, but it is a symbolic representation of the divine eternity, where the central courtyard is representing Brahmand. Ultimate House shows that God is truly in nature.
Hope you enjoyed this video. For more such breathtaking projects, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Architect's Diary. Also, don't forget to like, share and comment.